What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we have a couple of exciting updates. First, we have been invited to join the Badlands Bash 2023. It's an event at Badlands Off-Road Park where creators like Rockstar Garage, Great American Crawl, they show up, they take over the park. There's going to be rock crawling, mud races, jumps, drag races, the works. There's even a concert with Everclear and Lit. So if you're in the Midwest, July 1st, come check us out. Come say hi. I'll put some information down below so you can find out any more details that you might need on that. All right, second, we finally mounted the new wheels on the two-door Bronco. Now, I've had these sitting in the garage for over a month, but we finally had time to get them mounted. With the factory Sasquatch wheels and the Cooper 37-inch tires, even with the Icon lift, they still rub at lockout. So our only choices were to get the beadlock rings and wheel spacers or just get a set of beadlocks. So we got a hold of Ryan at Beadlock Marketplace and got a set of these Dirty Life Mesas in 17x9 with a negative 14mm offset, and now there's no more rubbing. So let's check these things out. We finally got a true beadlock. We can air these babies all the way down when we're off-roading and not worry about losing a tire. And it doesn't rub when we turn the wheel. Okay, so for our final update, we hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, and we're gonna celebrate that by doing a giveaway. But before I get to the prizes, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the like button on this video. All right, so now I'm gonna show you our prizes. Okay, so our first prize is a recovery kit from Rhino USA. It includes a 30-foot strap, 2 D-rings, a soft shackle, an emergency shovel, a tire repair kit, and a storage bag to make sure you can take it all with you and keep it nice and neat. The second prize is a set of Baja Design Squadron Sport LEDs. They're 3" by 3" with 4 LEDs apiece, and they're rated about 3,100 lumens each. All right, guys, so those are the prizes, and here's how you can win. First, you have to be subscribed. So if you haven't done so, do that now. You have to like the video, and you have to comment down below which prize you want to be entered to win. If you want the lights, simply comment lights. If you want the recovery kit, just comment kit, and that'll be your entry. We'll let this run through until July 29th. That's the date of Broncopalooza, the big event we're hosting with Chicagoland Broncos. So we will go live then and announce the winner. So thanks for watching. Thanks for checking us out. Until then, we'll see you next time.